Students, today we will learn how to install C in our computer. So I'll tell you how do you install it in Windows, because mostly we install in Windows. So just type here min gw, right? And the very first link, most likely from SourceForge, just click on it and click this screen download. So it will automatically start download, and it has actually downloaded. As it downloads, it's a very small file, so just go to this, and I have already installed this one. Okay, so just click here and then click on install. Okay, so I have already actually installed, so I'll just remove my WinGW first. I'll just delete this. Okay, so now we install this. I'll keep the default settings as it is, so I'll just continue. It takes about 4-5 minutes, 6 minutes generally to complete the entire setup, so just be patient for that time. If anything requires to be clicked, I'll just convey that. Then click on continue. As you click continue, this window will open. Okay, this is it will ask you what do you want to install. So we just want C and C++, so we'll just click on this min-gw base mark for installation. I'll click on G++ mark for installation. Okay, and then we will go to this installation tab here and apply changes. As you click on apply, just apply here, and it will start fetching the downloads from SourceForge.net. Okay, so it takes about 2-3 minutes, so just be patient. Depending upon the speed of internet, it takes some time. Now it is starting to install C++. Okay, so now it's done, so you can close it, and we will close this also. Now we can go to this C colon folder. Okay, and here we have a min GW. We can see in this bin we have already G++, GCC, all these files we will need for compiling our code. So I'll just keep it here. Now this C, min GW and bin, this we want to be referenced in the path variable. So for that, type system and get to this edit system environment variables. Just click here in control panel, go to this environment variables in this advanced tab, and here you have this system variables. Just click on this path and let's go with edit, get a new one here, and the path we want is C colon backslash min GW slash bin. Okay, so backslash, just keep whatever I have typed, just type this and click OK, again OK, and also here. So let's make a small little C program. So I'll go to maybe I'll go with this temp folder. Okay, and I'll make a new folder for first. Okay, and you can make a new file here, first.c. Just type like this, whatever I am doing you can do the same way, your program will run. Now edit this one and we will write our first program, include stdio.h. so my was I generally write the hello world program, everybody do that, so I'll also do the same thing, return 0 and printf hello world. Okay, and we will click like this. Let's save it and now type here cmd. Okay, as you type command here, your command will open. Okay, and the compiler code is GCC and then the name of the file that we have made, first.c. It is done, and now we will now this AEXE has made here. So just type A and you will see that hello world gets printed. So thank you very much, and I hope you would have understood the installation.